Jackie, Gray. Buko muna kayo dun, anak ko. Sa gilid muna kayo lahat. Kanino yun? Iatawin mo?
Ayan, paki-clear po yung yung red carpet natin ha. Pero lang sa may hawak ng cake. Yan. Kaya sa lubungin mo madam, huwag ka lang madadapa ha.
Si Kyle, dito lahat sa harap. Yan. Stephanie kasama.
Gulat na gulat si sir. Hi sir, punta kayo sa cake po sir. Ayan.
Happy birthday!
Alright, at the count of 5, ayan. I-blow mo ng candle po sir. And of course, first wish ka muna sir. Yan Sir Romer. Yan, wish ka muna, no? And then at the count of 5, you can blow the candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Alright, palakpakan natin Sir Romer.
Happy birthday!
Alright, so everyone, you may now take your seats, everyone. Ayan, si Sir Romer. Ayan, pagbibihisi muna natin sa likod and we will continue the program of birthday celebration of Sir Romer. Ayan, Sir Romer, pakiguide po si Sir Romer. Ayan, sino magbibihis kay Sir? Asa na si Jelly? Go ahead. At si ano pala? Si Kim. Go Kim, pakibihis na si Sir Romer. And most especially, the gift of life that God given to us, and we are very much honored and lucky to be present here today as we witness the happiness of the celebrant. And now, ladies and gentlemen, sabay-sabay po nating saksihan ang entrance ng kanyang mga anak. Let's all welcome Natalie Jane Ignacio together with Cal, Rocky Ignacio, and Mistress Ignacio. Palakpakan naman natin yung mga anak ni Sir Romer. Mamaya pa si Sir Romer. Sir Romer, ikaw muna. Alam na surprise talaga si Sir Romer. Okay, go ahead. Dito muna kayo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, can I invite everyone to stand up? Ayan, maaari magsipagtayo muna tayong lahat as we witness the grand entrance of the celebrant, Sir Romer. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor to introduce to you our celebrant for this afternoon. Walang iba, palakpakan natin ang sabay-sabay, Sir Romer Ignacio. Oh. Kaway-kaway ang sir. Okay, go ahead, sir. Ayan, walang magpa-picture kay sir. Ayan, picture mo na. Ayan. Alright, so remain standing, please, as we have the presence of our